My name's John. I have a BMW 2011 X5 5.0. I purchased this car brand new in 2011, and when we purchased the car, we had installed a clear bra, and including on the front bumper, front fenders, and side view mirrors. So 7 years later, or 8 years later, in 2018, I noticed that the clear bra was deteriorating. It was milky. There was something wrong with it. So I went back to the dealer where we purchased the car, which is Tully BMW. They inspected it, and they said that it was failing. And my understanding when I had the installation done was that it was a lifetime warranty. So Tully asked me to contact Automotive Elegance, which was Tully's installer for that product currently, but not at that time in 2011. So I contacted Automotive Elegance, and I met Will. Will's a manager at Automotive Elegance, and he's a great guy. So Will talked to me, and he explained that my work was done by the predecessor company of Automotive Elegance. But nevertheless, Automotive Elegance agreed to stand by the warranty on the product. And that meant removing and reinstalling brand new clear bra on all the areas that were covered before, which is, you know, $700 or $800 or something like that. And they did it willingly, without any difficulty. So I was very pleased by that. That showed they're a very customer-oriented company. Coincidentally, I was interested in having my car detailed and knew of a company called Unique Car Care that works with Automotive Elegance. And I had been in touch with the owner of Unique Car Care, whose name is Rick Nelson. And I learned that Automotive Elegance and Unique Car Care occupied the same premises in Andover, Massachusetts, which is where I live. So I got to talking to Will about having my car detailed, and to Rick as well, at the same time, as they were going to replace the defective clear bra. So I took the plunge and got a full 3-step detail, which includes a ceramic coating. Again, this is a 2011 X5 in good condition, V8, great car, we went for the gold. And I have to say, the car looks spectacular, really way beyond my expectations. I mean, I expected a lot for, you know, the amount of money I was spending, but the job exceeded my expectations. They also removed a dent that was quite a large dent with a paintless dent removal, and they did an excellent job for a reasonable price. And in connection with that, they removed a bunch of other dings on the car that weren't big but were there, and they took care of that. They touched up some spots on the hood with touch-up paint. They have transformed the car. The car looks brand new, and it's 7 years old. It literally looks like a new car. In fact, I would say it looks better than the day I drove it off the lot on the outside. That's how good it looks. The ceramic coating it is amazing, the finish. It looks like glass. But a lot of that has to do with the way they prepare it before they apply the ceramic coating. So it's a great place. You know, I was cashing out, and Will asked if I would be willing to give a review, and I said absolutely. And I said it with such enthusiasm that he said, well, would you be willing to do a video? And I said yes, because I appreciate the good service, and not everybody gives good service, even though you pay them a lot, but this company does. They go the extra mile. You know, they did my summer wheels. They just tossed that in at no extra charge. And they're big wheels. They're 20 inches, and they coated them with ceramic. They coated my winter wheels with ceramic. Very personal service. Highly recommend. It's a great place. I've got two other one vintage BMW I'm going to bring in. It's an 03 M5. I got another beautiful Audi Jet Black Q5. I'm going to bring that in. They've sold me. The service is great. The people are great. It's a local business. You know, you will pay for it, but it's reasonable. I did some research. Ceramic coating is expensive, but it lasts a long time. That's the thing. It lasts a long time. And they touch it up as part of their ongoing maintenance for you. So if you have a really, you know, if you have a nice car that you value and you want to drive for a long time, I think it's worth the investment. And so it's a great place, and I would highly recommend it.